How to add overlays in Picsart. Want to spice up your edits with extra texture or graphics? Here's how to add overlays in Picsart. First, open your photo and click Add Photo. Then select the overlay image or texture you want to use. Resize and position the overlay on top of your base photo. Lower the opacity or change the blend mode to make it blend seamlessly into your background. You can also erase or mask parts of the overlay for more control. Once it's perfect, click Apply to lock it in. What's your favorite type of overlay? Like glades or grunge textures? Let us know in the comments below. Use subtle overlays to add depth and style without overpowering your main subject. And that's how you can add overlays in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.